Good morning students. In last session 2 we solved about exercise 1.1 first main we have solved, okay, and we have saw how to write a Indian place value chart and a international place value chart. See, in the Indian place value chart we have periods like ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, okay. In Indian place value chart what we have seen? In Indian place value chart we saw that we have periods ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. So these are the periods we have shown in the Indian place value chart. Again we saw in one period we have divided in three places, that is ones, tens, hundreds, here thousand, 10,000, in lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh, and in crores, crore, 10 crore, okay. In last class we have saw about Indian place value chart. Here periods were ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, and these periods were divided into ones in three places, ones, tens, hundred, and thousands into thousand, 10,000. Lakhs were divided into lakh, 10 lakh, crores, crore, and 10 crore. Okay. We saw that in Indian place value chart we have to give the comma here after every period, okay. After every period we have to give comma, that is, see from right side first comma will come for after 100, and here after 1000, okay, after 1000 period, after lakh period, okay. This is nothing but we saw in last class Indian place value chart. So again we also saw that about international place value chart. What we saw in international place value chart? We have saw that in international place value chart the periods were, first was ones, thousands, millions, ones, thousands, millions. So these were the period we saw. This is the period ones, thousands, millions. Again we saw places, okay. We saw places in ones we are divided into three places, that is ones, tens, hundred. In thousands again it is divided into three periods, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Again millions it is divided into three places, million, 10 million, 100 million. Yes or no? How we are going to give comma here? After here also same, after every period we are going to give the comma. After ones place, after ones period we are going to give comma, after thousands period, and after millions. In short telling, from right side after three digits we have to give a comma. So in last class we have saw the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. Just I revised you. In today's class we are going to solve exercise 1.1 second main, that is, place commas correctly and write the numerals, okay. Now see, the first what they have asked, first solution, first one is A1, 73 lakh, okay, 73 lakh, 75,000, 307, 307. Okay, second one you see 9 crore. Okay, 9 crore. Afterwards, which period will come? 9 crore. Afterwards, 5 lakh. 5 lakh. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. Here thousands place will come. Afterwards, here this is thousands period, and here it is a ones period. Yes or no? Next, see when you see 7 crore 52 lakh 21,000 302. So we will see now D1 58 million. It is to write, this is nothing but in international, right? This is a international. 58 million 423,202. See here in India, here this is a Indian, right? Because after first from right side we have put a comma 3 digit, afterwards for 2 digits we have given a comma. But here we see, here we have given from right side after every 3 digits. This is nothing but the international numeration, and here that is this numbers nothing but the Indian numerals. Okay, now we will see the third main of this. Now see here the third main is that insert comma suitably and write the names according to Indian system numeration. We have to write this in Indian system numeration. First we have to give a comma. A is 87595,762. See, you know that in Indian system of numeration how we will give the commas? From right side, first we are giving after 3 digits, okay, followed by 2 digits we are giving comma. See here, first from right side after 3 digits, after from here from 2 digits we have to give a comma. Now see, this is ones period, this is thousand period, this is lakhs period, and this is crores period. What we can write? 8 crore 75 lakh 75 lakh 95,000 762. 762. Let's say go for B1. The number is 8546283. Again from right side after 1 2 3, after 3 digits, from here after 2 digits. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is lakhs period. What it is? 85 lakh 46 46,000 200 and 200, 280, 283. Next we go for C1. That is the given number we are going to write first. So Indian system, again and again I am telling you, from right side after 3 digit 1, 2, 3, from here after 2 digits we have to give a comma. Now see, this is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. It will be 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99 lakh 46, 99 lakh 46. So now last one, D. The given number is 9843432 Now we will give commas from right side after 3 digits, from here to 2 digits. Why this is so? I told you the reason. Because in ones period we have divided the places into 3. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crore period. It will be, the answer will be 9 crore. It will going to be 9 crore 84 lakh 32,700 701. Okay, now we will go for the fourth main. Now we will see third main, fourth main. Now we will see fourth main. Insert comma suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. I told you that in international system how we will use to give the comma. From right side after three digits we are going to give commas in International System of Numeration. From right side after every three digits we have to give a comma. Okay, see a solution. First one, 920192. Now see a student. After every three digits from right side, 1, 2, 3 here, 1 comma and here 1 comma. Now see here, in international place value charts, from right side the first period is here, ones, thousands, millions. Yes or no? This is a period of ones, thousands, millions. Now how to read this? After the digits we have to take the family name here, period name. Here comma is there, no? This comma you have to replace by period name. That is 78 million 921. You have to take the period name. 21,000 21,092. 92. So we'll go for second one, that is the given number, we will write it. Now from right side, after 3 digit give a commas. This is 1 spirit, 1000 spirit, million spirit. It will be after every comma you have to take the period name. Here 7 million, 400, 52,000, 200, 283, 283. Okay, we will see the next one. C1 we will take 999,85102. See here, same stuff. After every 3 digit from right side give commas. Okay, this is 1 spirit, 1000 spirit, million spirit. Okay, how to read this number? 99 million, 985. You have to take your period name. 985,000, 85,102. 102. Say D1. 48049,831. See, after every 3 digit from right side give commas. This is an international place value chart, right? This is, we have learnt in international place value chart how to give commas at all. From right side, after every 3 digits we have to give a comma. This is 1 spirit, this is 1000 spirit, this is million spirit. After every comma you have to, when you are spelling the number 48, you have to take your period name, that is 48 million, 48 million, 49,000, 48 million, 49,000, 800, 831. Okay, this was about exercise 1.1. Here we saw that how to write numbers in Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Once again I will just tell in brief. In Indian system, what we are going to do, from right side first we are going to give comma after 3 digits. From there after 2 digits we are giving a comma. But in Indian system, in international system of numeration, from right side of the number after every 3 digits we are going to give a comma. Okay, in next class we will see the next concept. Thank you.